science versus religion. This isn't always a war, though it's often presented that way. It's more like two different lenses looking at reality. Where they clash: origins of the universe and life. Science says Big Bang and evolution. Many religions have creation stories like Genesis in the Bible or Hindu cosmology. Miracles. Science demands repeatable, observable evidence. Religion often claims one-time supernatural events. Afterlife. Science can't detect heaven, reincarnation, or souls. Religion builds meaning around them. Authority. Science relies on evidence and testing. Religion relies on scripture, faith, or divine revelation. Where they complement wonder. Religion and science both provoke awe. Think of galaxies or the idea of divine unity. Ethics. Religion gives moral frameworks. Science can inform ethics, like with AI and cloning, but doesn't decide right from wrong. Human experience. Science explains how things happen. Religion often answers why. Thinkers who bridge the gap. Einstein said, "Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind." Francis Collins, a geneticist who led the Human Genome Project, is also a Christian. Buddhism and neuroscience. Some Buddhist meditation practices are being tested and supported by modern psychology. The psychological side of religion. This is fascinating. Religion as a human mental and emotional process. Why people believe terror management theory. Religion helps humans deal with fear of death. Attachment theory. People often imagine God as a parental figure, someone who protects, listens, forgives. Pattern recognition. Humans are wired to find patterns and purpose even when there may be none. This may lead to belief in divine intention or fate. Community and identity. Religion provides a tribe which feels safe and meaningful. Benefits: improved mental health, lower rates of depression in some studies, greater resilience during trauma or grief, stronger social bonds and altruism. Downsides: can create in-group/out-group bias, can lead to guilt, fear, or repression, susceptible to authoritarian control or dogma. How different religions see truth. Not all religions define truth the same way. Here's a quick sketch. Christianity: truth equals God revealed through Jesus. The Bible is truth. I am the way, the truth, and the life. Islam: truth equals Allah's will as revealed in the Quran. The truth is from your Lord, so do not be among the doubters. Judaism: truth equals ongoing dialogue with God through the Torah and tradition. It values questioning. Hinduism: truth is complex. There are many paths to the divine known as yogas, and Brahman is the ultimate truth, an infinite, formless reality. Buddhism: truth means seeing things as they really are, without illusion. The Four Noble Truths diagnose the problem, which is suffering, and how to transcend it. Indigenous and Animist beliefs. Truth is lived through the land, ancestors, spirits, and the cycles of nature. New Age or spiritual but not religious. Truth is personal, experiential, and often a blend of science, mysticism, and self-exploration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational videos.